Identify the parts and terminals of motor generator set.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the process of electrician practical session to identify the parts and terminals of MG set.
Objectives: at the end of this exercise you shall be able to read and interpret the nameplate details of the given MG set. Determine the pairs of terminal of the windings of the DC machine by the test lamp method. Identify their parts and write their names. Tools: instruments. Insulated combination pliers 200 mm, 1 number. Screwdrivers 150 mm, 1 number. DE spanner set, 1 number. Equipment: machine. 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor, 5 horsepower, 500 volts, 50 Hz, with star delta starter. DC shunt generator 5 kW 220 volts with field regulator, 1 number. Materials: PVC insulated cable, 320 or 660 volts, grade 5 meters. Kit Kat fuse to 50 volt 16 ampere, 1 number. Pendant lamp holder to 50 volt 6 ampere, 1 number. Single pole switch, 1 number. BC lamp 40 watts to 50 volts, 1 number. Fuse wire 5 amp. As required. Task 1. Identify the parts and terminals of motor of a MG set. Read and interpret the nameplate details of the given 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor and note down as on Table 1. Table 1. Nameplate details. Identify the parts of AC squirrel cage induction motor from the real object or from the exploded view chart. Fan guard. Fan. End shield. End shield. Shaft. Terminals box. Rotor. Stator. Bearing. Label the each parts with number and write then name of parts. Table 2. Rotor and shaft. Fan. Fan guard. Stator, frame and terminals box. End shield. Bearing. Task 1. Identify the parts and terminals of a 3-phase induction motor. Video procedure. Read and interpret the nameplate details of the given 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor and note down as on Table 1. Identification of the terminals of an induction motor, 3-phase. Identify the terminals of a 3-phase induction motor with the help of two lamps in series. Observe the condition of the lamp and write the name of terminals. If the lamps glow bright as shown in the figure, then the linked ends are similar ends. For example, the linked end are U1 and V1. If the lamps glows dim as shown in figure, then the linked ends are dissimilar ends. For example, the linked end are U1 and V2. Task 2. Identify the terminals of DC generator of the MG set. Read and interpret the nameplate details of the given DC generator and note down in Table 2. The terminals where the lamp glows more brightly belong to the series field winding. The terminals where the lamp glows dimly belong to the shunt field winding, and the terminals where the lamp glows brighter belong to the armature terminals. Write down the terminal name of DC generator.
Now you have learned to read and interpret the nameplate details of the given MG set. Determine the pairs of terminals of the windings of the DC machine by the test lamp method. Identify their paths and write their names. Hope you had a clear understanding on this technical process. Thank you.